Hello, my dear friends, viewers, and my lovely subscribers. A delight welcome to my amazing channel and your favorite channel, Fashion Addiction. My dear friends, hope you are fine. May God bless you with more happiness every day. My dear friends, we are showing you the variety of dressing styles and updated fashion. And today, with a new amazing video of stunning and gorgeous designs of tulle skirts designs for lovely women. My dear viewers, these skirts, designs and looks are very pretty and beautiful as well. And friends, definitely you will like them all. So friends, here is the fun thing for you all. If you like them all, then don't forget to hit the red subscribe button so you never miss any future update from my channel Fashion Addiction. And friends, if you don't like any my video, just tell me in the comment section. So next time you will only see your favorite choice articles. My dear viewers, we have provided you some of the brilliant new outfit combinations and interesting ways to update your sense of styling, and based on the feedback you are submitting. So friends and my lovely fans, you can freely ask if you want more updates of any topic in comment section. I will definitely try to upload the latest collection of the articles or outfit or whatever you want. So friends and my lovely fans, this is our today's video. We hope you must admire our work for you and kindly tell us about your opinion and great advices in the comments. My dear viewers, in this video you will see the brilliant variety of tulle skirts designs. These skirts are very comfortable, elegant and easy to wear, and brilliantly created keeping in mind the trends and colors of the seasons by top fashion designers. So friends, if you are investing your precious money on shopping, then definitely just before going, take a look at my collection of these stunning articles. Or friends, if you are planning to shop something else, then you might also get that ideas also in my other videos for sure. So friends, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and it would be an honor for me to serve you daily if you hit that like button also. Friends, thank you so very much for watching my whole video. I hope you are enjoying my video. Take a good care of yourself. Remember me in your prayers. Keep smiling. Take beautiful ideas from my channel. Love you all guys. This is your host Asad Shah.